So we're doing the 16 by 32 Intex above ground pool here, and the lay of our land. We had to dig into the hillside here a little bit, probably about 32 inches at the highest point, and we hit a lot of rock here. So we had to bring in some, we dug down. A few spots were too low because of large rock. So we got some number 4 limestone and we put it down in the holes, the low spots. And then we added some 57 DGA mix with the kind of like a concrete mix, dust in it. So we put that down about 2 inches at a time, and then we tamped it. So we've got a good solid base here, and I'm doing a retaining wall around the yard where the water's gonna run off. So I'm gonna put some corrugated pipe in the ditch behind the retaining wall, try to keep the water from going under the pool. And I had this wall built, had to do a small section, take it back out because it was a little bit low, and put a little bit more DGA back in here and tamp it down. This is a tamping bar made by one of the best fabricators in Louisa, Kentucky, Caleb Pauley. This is the KP-102 model. Great tamping bar. So put a little bit, probably an inch of DGA back in this low spot and tamped it down real good. Makes a nice solid surface. Then we're going to add some sand, mason sand. It's been sifted with no rocks. Going to put that across the entire surface, about 1.5 inches deep, and then set the pool on that. So I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching.